Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Hital's Cornerstone. So, in today's session, we will learn how to write a perfect letter in IELTS as well as in professional life or in career life too. So, we will see in this video type of letters and how to improve your score in general training. So, without taking too much time, let's go inside of video a letter writing. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more fascinating and updated information. So, understanding the task, which type of task they are asking. So, in writing task 1, there's a 20 minutes. So, within a 20 minutes, you have to complete the writing task 1. So, you won't be allowed to take your mobile phone into exam room in the examination. And we will see the letter must be written in the correct style, in the correct matter. So, types of the letter. Three types of letters are there: informal, semi-formal and formal letter. In informal letter, if you are writing to family or friends, you have to write in an informal manner. Tone of your writing in informal. Next one is a semi-formal. If you are writing to your colleague, as you know very well, then you can write your letter in a semi-formal way. Formal, if you are writing to a business or professional writing, though you have to write in a formal way. So next thing we will see how you can improve your score. First thing is this task achievement of 25%. First thing in task achievement, does your letter answer all the parts of the questions, whatever the written in the question. So you have gave the answer of the all the parts like bullets and explanation, everything you covered. And if covered, then all of your ideas are relevant. If not relevant, then you will lose your band score. Next one is the coherence and cohesiveness. So your idea must be well organized, clear and well connected to the question. Clear to the question and well organized also. If there is a one bullet point, second and third. So you have to well organize first, second and third in a sequence. Right. Next. Grammatical range and accuracy. Your grammar must be perfect and clear. So you have to show a range of grammatical structures. So in a grammatical structure, you have to use simple structure, simple sentences, compound sentences, and complex sentences too. So you can use three types of sentences in a letter as well as in essay writing. Next, do not make mistakes with prepositions like in, on, at, with, above, under, etc. So you don't have to make any mistakes in a preposition. If you do not know the preposition, so please comment me in the comment box. I will provide you detailed video in the preposition. Next one is that do not make common spelling mistakes, because if you are panic in the examination, there is stress also, so you will make some common mistakes in spelling. So if you will this type of mistake, then you will lose your band scores. Do not make common punctuations mistakes. Punctuation is important. If you do not know which punctuation will be there, so don't write any type of punctuation, don't put any type of punctuation in the letter writing. Next thing, don't avoid copying words directly from the question. You must know how to do perfectly paraphrasing. So do not copy. And one thing is very crucial, leave at least 3 to 5 minutes at the end to check your mistakes, because proofreading is a must, compulsory. So in a proofreading, you will find your mistakes in grammar, in sentences, in preposition, as well as in spelling. So you can improve your mistakes and you can improve your band score. So this is a common mistakes you will do in examination. Next thing, how to start your letter writing. First thing, starting from greetings like dear sir or dear madam. So this way you can start your letter writing. But this is not given how you can start your letter. So you can start by giving any name like a dear Dhriti or dear something, whatever name you like. Next one is that opening statements. So in opening statement, there is a written over there, introduce yourself or explain the first point or say what you are writing. So in some questions, there is a describe who are you. This type of questions are there in the examination. So you have to explain that my name is this and I'm living in this city, this area. Or in some letter there is a perfectly given over there, introduce yourself. Like your neighbor was drunk and found fault you for no reason. So you have to introduce yourself in the letter writing. So this type of introduction is required in opening statement. Next one is that explain the situation. There is a 3 bullet point over here. There is a one situation. So you have to explain the situation in detail. Next one is the bullet points tell you what to write about. There is a 3 or 4 bullet points. You have to explain all the bullet points. Otherwise, you will lose the band score for not fulfilling the task. Last but most important thing is a closing statement. Closing statement is appropriated required. What you can write in your closing statement? So yours faithfully. So what at where you will write yours sincerely. If you know the name of the person to whom you are writing, so you can write yours sincerely. And if you do not know the name of the person, then you will write yours faithfully. Like that, dear sir or dear madam, yours faithfully. Okay, because you do not know the name of the person. So if you are writing a formal letter of a business or professional, so you do not know the name of the person. So you have to start by dear sir or dear madam. Otherwise, any positions, right? Like a dear honorable commissioner or a dear complaint resolver. So this type of openings are required in a formal letters. If you know the name of the person, but something is no, so that you could start like that, dear Mr. Joe, yours sincerely, because you know the name of the person. This is a formal letter or semi-formal letter. Last, in an informal letter, you can start by in an opening statement, hi Dhriti or hi Mr. Dear Anup. In the closing, you can write over there, see you soon, take care, all the best. In this type of informal or semi-formal letter. So this type of statement you can't write in the formal letters. So this we have seen opening, closing and explain the situation as well as bullet points. So we will see that tips. Okay, tips of the letter writing. You must write over 150 words. Don't forget this thing. You must have to write 150 words. So aim for the little bit 160 or 180 words for safe side, because we don't know how they are counting in actual manner in the examination. So less than 150 words you will be penalized. Next thing, do not write addresses in the IELTS letter writing. Next, pay attention to the aim and purpose of the letter. So you don't have to forget your aim and purpose of the letter. Fourth thing is that all bullet points must be included in your letter writing. If you fail to include any points in the letter, your band score will be lower because you will be penalized for not including one bullet point. This will not achieve your task. Next is, it is your responsibility to control time in letter writing. Okay, because they have given 20 minutes, but you must know where to stop. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, because you will lose your timing in task 2. Next thing, play close attention to whom you are writing, like a semi-formal, formal letter or informal letter. So pay close attention there. So that will decide your style of writing and tone of your writing. And do not forget to sign off appropriately. Right, appropriately, like if a formal letter, so you do not have to write see you soon or catch you soon. Right, so do not forget to sign off appropriately. Next thing, types of letters. Which type of letters in examination people they are asking? First one is to complain letter. Complain about something. There is a pollution, there is a garbage over there, so you have to complain. Your neighbor are too noisy, so you want to make a complaint of a neighbor. So your complaint letter. Invitation letter. Invite for something, like you are throwing a birthday party and you are inviting your friends, your colleague and your family in your birthday. So this is an invitation letter. Family means not a close relation. To apologize letter, apology letter. So you have to write apologize letter. To express your gratitude or appreciation letter. Next one is to make a request for a promotion or something else you want to you want asking. So this is a request letter. Resignation letter, application letter. If you are applying in some business or some field or a position letter, to ask for any advice like in career field or assistance in what program you want to choose after 10th, after 12th, or in college life also. So you can ask for advice from friends, relative, colleague, from your boss. So this type of letter people are asking in ALS general training task 1. So let's check out the one. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task. Okay, you can take less than over or more than 20 minutes, but appropriate time is 20 minutes, right? So question is that there is a new ready mixed concrete plant installed nearby your home and it causes various type of pollution. So this is a complaint letter. By reading a first situation, you must know which type of letters in examination. So you write a letter to whom? City Council. Okay, so you are writing a letter to City Council for removal request. In your letter, okay, we will discuss later on. Write at least 150 words. So you have to write 150 words, minimum 150 words, but you can go beyond that, 160 to 180. Do not write to over 300 words because it's just a waste of time. You don't need to write any addresses. So properly given over here, do not write any addresses. Begin your letter as dear sir or dear madam. So over here it is perfectly written. Start your letter from dear sir or madam. So do not try to write any name in this type of question. So you have to start by dear honorable commissioner. So you can start by dear sir or dear madam. First thing, you have to explain this situation, right? What type of pollution are there? And you are writing complaint letter to city council for removal. Describe who you are. So in first bullet point, you have to write who are you. Next is that explain what troubles you by existence of RMC plant. What is the trouble? What is the problems you are facing? Just existence of RMC plant nearby your home, you and your neighbor. And third bullet point is that tell what you want the officer to do for you. So you have to discuss 3 points over here. So how you can start? Dear honorable commissioner, or dear sir, or dear madam. Next thing, I am writing to inform you of my displeasure over existence of ready-mix concrete plant nearby my home. So this way you can start your writing. Then in first bullet point we have to explain I am writing to inform you. We have written next my name is this and I live at this place. You have to describe who are you and at which place you are living. So this way you can start your essay in this way you can start your letter writing. In last closing statement you can write yours faithfully. Okay, so this is a clear cut letter writing where they will be asked in the examination. If you need proper full answers of the letter writing, so please comment me in the comment box. I will try to provide you full answer with some glossary, new words, synonyms and meaning of the new words also. So thank you guys. Thank you for supporting me. And if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like button also and share also. So without wasting our time, be prepared. So thank you guys. Bye bye now.